continues to mow guys down.
Now
at the plate, Garrett Hampson. He is the last man to stand in the way of possible history here this afternoon. Now a fastball on the inside corner, and he takes a look at strike one. A ball and a strike to Colorado's leadoff batter. And there's a called strike two, as now they're down to their final strike this afternoon. Seared down the first baseline. But this is a foul ball as the count holds steady at 1-2. And he'll lay off the curveball that's in the dirt that time, and it's back to even now at 2-2.
Good job to lay off that 1-2 breaking ball, put himself right back in this at bat.
Tatis is there to make the catch, and with that, the ball game is over.
Well, it's something that every pitcher who's ever picked up a baseball dreams about, and he's done it. A no-hit gem in one of the most dominant performances I've seen in a while. He's in the record books forever now.
Well, we've talked about his dominance all throughout the game, and he ended up finishing what he started. A complete game shutout. He's our top player of the game.
Well, you know he wants that one pitch back that led to the lone hit, but it was pretty awesome watching him do his thing. He had guys off balance and flailing at the plate all game long, so he really was the story.